How to use internal and external links to boost your Google rankings. If you're creating content or working on SEO, this one's for you. Let's break down why links are so important for SEO. Google uses them to do three key things. To understand your site structure. When you add internal links, you're helping Google understand how your site is structured. To distribute authority. Each page on your site holds a bit of SEO value. Internal links allow you to pass that value around your web pages. To evaluate trust and relevance. The more trusted sites you have pointing to your site, that increases your trust with Google. There are two types of links, internal links and external links. Let's start with internal links. Internal links are links from one page on your website to another. They don't link to other websites, only to your web pages. Internal links are very useful for a few big reasons. First, they help Google to index and discover your web pages. When one page links to another on your website, it's telling Google that that page that it's linking to is important and it must be indexed. Secondly, internal links allow you to pass SEO value around your website. If one page is performing well on your website, linking to another page that is not doing so well can boost its performance. And that internal links create a better user experience for your visitors. They help people navigate your site more easily, making them more likely to stay longer on your site, and that is a positive signal for search engines. Here are a few quick tips for using internal links efficiently. Always use meaningful anchor text. Avoid phrases like "click here." Instead, use text that clearly describes what the link points to. Something like "view our SEO guide" or "learn more about keyword research." Link content that's actually relevant and adds value. If somebody is reading about a specific topic, link to content that builds on that topic. Make sure your key pages are isolated. Every important page on your website should have internal links pointing to it. If a page has no links leading to it, it is called an orphan page. It can make it very hard for Google to find it and rank it. Now let's talk about external links. Those links pointing to your site from other websites or from your website to external websites. When you use external links properly, they show that your content is well researched, building trust with your audience and search engines. Linking out to other websites can actually help with SEO. It shows search engines that your content is connected to other high-quality information on the web. Let's wrap up with a few best practices when it comes to external links. First, always link to high-authority relevant sources. This helps build trust with your audience and search engines. When linking to another website, it's a good idea to have that link open in a new tab. You can do that by adding target blank to your link. It keeps visitors on your site while letting them explore other content. For extra security, use target blank with no opener for all external links. If you want to learn more about no opener, I've linked a video explaining what it is and how it affects SEO. Here are a few SEO mistakes that you'll want to avoid when using links. One is using too many links on a single page. This can hurt your SEO and it also overwhelms your audience. Another mistake is repeating the same anchor text too many times on a single page. Google picks up on that and it can hurt your SEO. And then there is broken links. These create a bad user experience and can hurt your credibility with Google. If you are ready to improve your linking strategy, here are a few things that you can do today to improve SEO. Audit your internal links. Make sure that all your important web pages have links linking to them. Go through your website and make sure all your important page have links linking to them. Add relevant external links to your content. Fix any broken links. Use free link checker tools to help detect broken links. It's simple stuff, but it makes a big impact over time. When you combine internal and external links with do follow backlinks, it makes a huge difference on SEO. Backlinks are links from other websites pointing to your website. There are two main types of backlinks, do follow and no follow backlinks. If you want to find out more about do follow and no follow links, I've got a video linked in the description explaining the difference. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe for more content on SEO and web development. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching.